Hi everyone, this is Ruturaj and welcome to our channel Join. In today's video, we'll be seeing a new strategy, that is iron condor. So this strategy is simply a combination of two of the things that we learned in past. This is a combination of short strangle plus hedging. So let's see how it is done. So in short strangle, what we did was we sold a put option here, and here we sold a call option, right? So what is the drawback of this short strangle? There is only one drawback, that is margin. So the margin requirement is generally higher if you do this thing. But yes, compared to normal put and normal call selling, this is bit, you can get some margin benefits but not that much as you expect. So what can you do to reduce this margin limitation? Like the margin limitations here would be very high, like say for example around 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs. What can you do to reduce this? As you know that we do hedging to reduce this. Now how can we hedge it? So what would you do is that you have sold a put here, say for example here at 1900, and you have sold a call here at 2100. Now how do you hedge? So you have sold a put here, so you would, so for example this price is 1500, you would buy a put here, and you have sold a call here, so out of the money, say for example at 2500, you would buy a call here. So what would happen now? So say for example in this buy put you would be spending a very less amount, say for example say for example only 1 rupee. So in buy put we would be spending only 1 rupees, because this is far out of the money buy option, buy put option, and here also in buy call option we would be spending hardly around 1 rupees, because this is far out of the money call option. So what you are spending only extra this 1 rupees per share, you would multiply the lot size. So what is the benefit of doing this? So now you can see that for this calls that you sold, there is one hedged buy call, and for this put that you sold, there is one hedged buy put option. So in this case the broker would be giving you margin limitations that is pretty low. So for example initially it was around 3 lakhs, now it would be around 1 lakh, like 1/3 would be reduced. So you need to spend only 1 lakh rupees in that case if you do iron condor. So this strategy is generally the combination of short strangle and hedging that we have already seen. So yes, definitely you can do this, but remember that to not buy this put option or this call option at huge premiums. Try to buy it as low as possible, so that you don't give much in premium. So you should be careful about that. You should like, this is far out of the money for put option, and this is far out of the money for call option. So try to deal try to make a deal that is as low as possible, because this amount would be kind of lost. So yes, this is the benefit of doing iron condor. I hope you learned something new in this video. Would be with a new concept in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.